I will be dealing upon with the subject which is from GTO part, but I thought that there are so many doubts amongst the candidate. So let me give my point of view and let me give you in a nutshell as to how to go about doing your group planning exercise. Okay, the group planning exercise forms the second task. Okay, in the GTO. Okay, there are 9 tasks as all of you know, and it starts off with your group discussion, and after group discussion comes group planning exercise. And incidentally, these 2 exercises, that is the group discussion and the group planning exercise, are the only 2 exercises which are held indoor. Okay, rest all the 7 exercises will be outdoor, right? So group planning exercise is the second exercise, as I told you, after group discussion, and some of us, we also call it as military planning exercise. Okay, now what is required to be done in group planning is that you are required to solve the problems which are there or which is being presented to you in the form of a narrative or a short story based on the situation which is made on the SAN model which is kept in the group discussion room. Okay, so there will be क्या होगा, एक SAN model होगा, SAN model पे एक situation बनी होगी. Okay, and उसके basis पे, उस situation के basis पे there will be a narrative, a short story which will be read by the group planning or the your GTO, the officer who is conducting your GTO. He will read out the story, he will read out that narrative, and thereafter in that narrative there will be certain problems. Okay, so सबसे पहले your task will be to pick up the problems which are there coming out in the narrative. Okay, and the narrative will start as that you are a group of 8 boys or 10 boys, okay, or 8 candidates or 10 candidates depending upon the batch. Okay, and you are moving from place A to place B to attend some function, some activity which is planned at a particular time. Okay, and while you are moving en route, you face so many problems. Okay, now the problems will be there, and you are supposed to find or solve the problem one by one using the given resources. The resources will be given to you. Okay, and based on those resources, you are supposed to solve those problems and thereafter reach your destination to attend the activity for which you were moving. Okay, reaching your destination and attending the activity in time is prime important. Okay, it's very, very important. You have to finish off all the problem, okay, within time, within available resources, and reach your destination to attend the function or for the activity for which you have moved. Okay, so what will happen is this exercise is conducted in 2 parts. Okay, first is your individual planning. Okay, so after the narrative is being read out to you, okay, you all will be given the narrative to read it yourself and write down the individual solution. Right? Now, once you have written the individual solution will be corrected by the GTO, and thereafter you all will be getting into the discussion. Okay, like you were having discussion in group discussion or in PP and DT and all those things. So you will be getting into a discussion, okay, wherein as a group you will finalize the number of problems and give solution or coming out with a group solution for it. Okay, so it will be also in 2 parts, right? And the most important part in this is, if you compare it with the group discussion, which was the first task of your GD was your open-ended discussion. Okay, there was no requirement to reach a conclusion, but in group planning exercise you have to reach the conclusion. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, now how you should go about doing it is that you all will be made to sit in a semicircle. Okay, around the SAN model, you all will be seating. You will be seated in order of your chest number in a semicircular pattern. Right. Thereafter, the GTO will come and he will remove the cover of the SAN model which is there. Okay, and thereafter he will brief you about the model. Okay. Once he is briefing you about the SAN model, please be very, very attentive. Okay, very, very attentive. Note down each and every important point which is there in the SAN model. Okay, note down the direction. Okay, note down your location. Okay, pinpoint where you are at that moment of time. Okay, now once things become very clear to you, okay, there will be a scale also given to you for measuring the distance. Okay, so please be very clear about the scale also. Okay, and keep it in mind while you are calculating or finding out your solution to the problems which will come in the narrative. Okay, now once he has briefed the model, thereafter he will read the narrative. Okay, a narrative is a short story kind of a thing in which the entire sequence of events will be written. Right? So once he is reading out the narrative, your aim should be to keep your ears towards the GTO and your eyes towards the SAN model. Okay, keep looking at the SAN model, keep hearing what the GTO is reading, and try and pick up the problems which are coming out in the narrative. Okay, once the GTO has finished his narrative, okay, if you have got any doubts, clarify your doubts before you move further ahead. Okay, clarify your doubts, and thereafter the GTO will be giving you the narrative. Okay, each one of you will be getting that narrative, and he will be giving you 5 minutes for self-reading. Okay, now this is the time that you will confirm the number of problems which you had perceived or which you had found out while GTO was reading the narrative, and confirm it now by reading it yourself and correlating it with the SAN model. Okay, now once 5 minutes gets over, the narrative will be taken back by the GTO, and he will give you a piece of paper in which you have to write down your solution. Okay, for that he will give you 10 minutes. Okay, now the point which you should keep it in mind for finding or writing down your individual solution is that be very crisp and clear. Okay, and to the point. Okay, 10 minutes, I'm telling you, looks like a hell of a lot of time, but when you start writing, it comes out to be pretty short. Okay, so be to the point and give your entire solution, okay, in that 10 minutes. Okay, now after that 10 minutes, the answer sheet will be collected by the GTO, and he will be giving you 20 minutes for the discussion. Okay, in this 20 minutes, you all should show your leadership qualities, your observation skill, your analytical skill, your communication ability, okay, your convincing power. Okay, any point which you are giving, you should be giving it with good amount of logic behind it. Okay, don't talk in thin air. Okay, don't talk without any logic. Speak out with logic, with some rationale. Okay, so that the other batchmates of yours, they get convinced by the solution which you are giving. Okay, they get into the discussion and reach a group consensus or a group solution within those 20 minutes. Okay, now once the 20 minutes are over and the group solution has been reached, the GTO will ask one of you to be nominated to give the group solution, and if you are nominated, then give the group solution with good amount of confidence. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to, it's in a nutshell that you are supposed to perform in your group planning exercise. Okay, to make it further easy for all of you to understand, I will divide this entire exercise in certain steps. Okay, now step 1, first thing which you should keep it in mind is be attentive and don't miss any place or misinterpret anything on the map or on the SAN model which is placed in front of you. Step 2, when the GTO is reading out the narrative, okay, correlate the problem with the map. Okay, I told you your ears should be towards the GTO and your eyes should be towards the SAN model. Okay, so pay attention, pick up the problems, try and pick up the resources which are available to you. Okay, now the resources will be in 2 parts. Okay, first one will be the given resources which are openly available to you as per the narrative. Okay, second type will be the hidden resources. Okay, now the hidden resources are the resources which you should apply your mind and pick up from the narrative. Okay. Now, what are the hidden resources? I will give you certain examples. For example, like if you are on a highway, okay, on a highway, you are expected to find some vehicles. Okay, the vehicles will be moving on highway. So you can utilize those vehicles for taking lift and reaching to a particular point where you want to go. Okay. Similarly, if there is a petrol pump, if there is a hospital, if there is a police station, okay, all these places are supposed to have a landline, okay, a communication link. So you can use that telephone facility which is available at these points for informing the other people. Okay. For example, if the narrative says that your mobile phones are not working, utilize these resources for communication. Okay. Big factories, okay, army units, they will have cranes and other big vehicles. Okay, so if there is, say, a truck or something which has overturned on the highway and it's blocking the road, you can utilize these big cranes and big vehicles for removing that thing. Okay, so these are the hidden resources which you will have to find out as per the narrative. Okay, and other than that, there will be given resources. Okay, there will be time constraint. Okay, you will be given a time that you have reached to a particular point at so and so time, and you have to reach your destination at so and so time. Okay, so you are supposed to finish off your activity within that time constraint and reach your destination. Okay, now after this, step 3, okay, step 1, step 2 I have covered. Now step 3, once the GTO is given you the narrative for self-reading for those 5 minutes, okay, decide the number of problems, okay, confirm them, and now decide the priorities. Okay, priorities, how will you decide? I will cover it subsequently. Okay, candidates, I think the class is becoming too long. Okay, so what I will do, I will stop here now and I will continue in my next class, in which we will continue from this point only and continue till we reach our final thing.